In this section, introducing Azure functions, we have learned that Azure function is used to perform core business logic without worrying about infrastructure. It comes under function as a service. We have seen how trigger helps Azure function to know that when it needs to execute. Also seen that we can establish connection and pull or send data from different services through bindings. After that, we have seen different environment to develop Azure function. For this tutorial, I am mostly going to use Visual Studio. We have also seen that we can deploy our Azure functions in Azure Function App resource, and we have a common configuration file for all Azure functions inside a function app. We have collected basic understanding of Azure function. Now we can move to develop Azure functions to understand it deeply. In the next section, we are going to create Azure function using Azure portal.